Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove text from your video in Clipchamp. It is a very simple process, so let's get started. Find the Clipchamp app, now open it. Then choose one video that you wanted to remove the text. Now you can see the text on your video. To remove it, simply tap onto the text that is on the video like this. Now on the toolbar right here, scroll until the end and here you can find the option of delete. Now simply tap on it. Finally, here you can see the text has been removed from your video. And that's it. This is how you can remove the text from your video in Clipchamp. Now you know how to remove the text from your video. Now enjoy editing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.